Welcome to our channel. Group travel can be fun when well organized but challenging without proper planning. Step 1. Create a shared planning document or group chat where everyone can contribute ideas. Step 2. Establish a realistic budget that works for all participants. Step 3. Choose dates through a poll to find times that suit the majority. Step 4. Assign specific responsibilities to different group members to distribute tasks. Step 5. Research and book accommodations that can house everyone comfortably. Step 6. Create a flexible itinerary that includes group activities and free time. Step 7. Book group activities in advance to secure spots for everyone. Step 8. Discuss food preferences and dietary restrictions early. Step 9. Establish group rules about punctuality, expenses, and communication. Step 10. Use splitting apps to track shared expenses fairly. Step 11. Plan for different activity levels by offering optional activities. Step 12. Build in buffer time and remain flexible as group dynamics change. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.